Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I am Jitin Chawla Career Counselor, and today we are going to discuss top money making career options. Students, amazing changes are happening. If you really plan and get on to the latest, life can be amazing for you. You can get good jobs, earn good money, start your own businesses. Why? Whenever there's a change, the opportunities increase. Yeah, it doesn't decrease. Decrease दिखता है because the old ones go down, but actually opportunities are increasing. We need to understand which are those emerging opportunities. So today we'll discuss 5 top emerging opportunities. Let's understand. First one, law. Corporate law has been a great career in the last 10-15 years, but today it is increasing even further. Litigation hota hai, mergers and acquisition is there, patenting is there. These are all parts of corporate law. Lot of big companies like Tri-Legal, Luthra, Amarchand Mangaldas, they pay good salaries. You can work in India, you can work outside India. Yeah, I even suggest to people who are pursuing law to take up an add-on course from IICA, which is Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. Even the same institute also gives you insolvency course, which you can do after any graduation. Yeah, so and you need some work experience also. So what I'm trying to say here is corporate law is a big field, very good growth. You might work with an Indian Oil Corporation or a Unilever or Nestle or the best law firms, or start up something of your own. Yeah, खुद का भी कर सकते हैं. Why not? Second option, finance. Finance again is a hot option. If I tell you in finance there are 15 plus jobs, you'll be amazed. Check out investment banking, portfolio management, corporate finance, infrastructural finance. A big airport is being made, highways are being made, metro is being made. So that is infrastructure finance. A typical infrastructure project might be of 5,000-6,000 crores, 5,000 crores. How do you gather finance for it? So who does it? Infrastructure finance professionals. Then there are a lot of people working in stock markets, mutual funds. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is there are loads and loads of jobs in finance. And the latest, finance has fintech, which is finance and technology together. Don't we all use Paytm or Google Pay? So that is essentially fintech. Yeah. So now you have courses like BBA fintech coming up, MBA fintech coming up, and even associated courses like MBA analytics, business analytics, or BBA business analytics. Yeah. So these all will lead you to the area of finance, and you will really grow. Third area, which has been there for so long, all over the world, we Indians are known for it, is IT computer science. IT computer science is big, and we Indians, kahin bhi hum jayenge, we go to Australia, we go to UK, we go to Sweden, we go to US, we are accepted. That's how the story is. But in IT, which are the top options? IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, CRM. Earlier it was ERP, but now the market is more CRM oriented, and so on. So IT computer science today also for us Indians is an amazing career option. I know a lot of families where children have been able to chart out a global path because they chose IT computer science. Think about it. Okay, data analytics. Now this requires a special mention because all industries in the world are getting influenced by data analytics. So data science, data analytics, typically in India it is science people who have been taking it more programming oriented, but business analytics is something which commerce students also have been getting on. So this is a huge career option because across the world, all kind of industries, any big companies, any startups, they need to analyze data and take decisions accordingly. So data analytics. And of course, the final career option, the fifth option is entrepreneurship. Being an entrepreneur. Khud ka kaam karo, swayam rozgar. Our Prime Minister also, Mr. Modi, has been talking about Startup India, Make in India, and so on. Yeah, I know people who started with zero, bilkul zero, from the ground, and they build up 100 crore companies, 5,000 crore companies, 2,000 crore companies, and so on. Yeah, it is possible. Do I need a lot of money? No. You need a good idea. You need a well-researched idea. Check out Y Combinator videos, attend Startup Saturday, attend Startup Grind. There are a lot of forums to help you. Attend summer workshops by EDI Ahmedabad, Entrepreneurship Development Institute Ahmedabad. I mean, there is amazing stuff which is available on entrepreneurship, and then you can look at anything. Even being a YouTuber is an entrepreneur. I have a student, he's a sommelier. Ankur Chawla is his name. Check out Ankur Chawla's sommelier. He's one of India's best known sommeliers. He's doing so amazing. Of course, he's a food consultant. He has started his own company called Water also. So he's an entrepreneur. He started something of his own. I have another friend of mine who was writing books, so he's also an entrepreneur. I have a friend who was good at writing, good at sciences, so he started a content company. Today he has 1200 plus people working with him. Can you imagine that? Amazing. I mean, his life is, he gets contract from big websites from US, from other countries, and he just gets people to write content for them. He also has tied with publishers, yeah, but he's good at content. I met this founder of TTT, Terribly Tiny Tales. So he was interested in storytelling and he himself was interested in writing, and that's how they started. Today they have about 40-50 people working for them, 40-50 people company, and they're just producing amazing stories, short stories, yeah. So what I mean to say is, guys, if you think entrepreneurship can give you anything, are there courses? Yes, there are. Like Narasimhanji does a 5-year program in entrepreneurship, or there are specialized entrepreneurship courses. BBA MBA से business चलाना नहीं आएगा. You'll have to hunt for separate entrepreneurship courses. Check out institute like EDI Ahmedabad. Check out outside like Babson in US. Yeah, so check those out. So these are like 5 options where definitely you can earn loads and loads of money. Yeah. With this, I wish you all the best. Please subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon also so that you are connected and you know of new videos. We are all excited. We are back to office and we are going to make a lot of new videos. Keep on giving us suggestion and we'll be in touch. Thank you. All the best.